Hello everyone, this is Nicholas from Canvas support team. Today I'm gonna show you how to install LED module of LED floor cabinet properly. As it's known, there are directions on LED modules and LED frames for RX LED floor. So if you ever install the LED module reversed, the connection part will burn out and the LED won't work anymore. When we put the LED frame on the floor, it's hard to figure out which side is the top side. So with the arrows on the frame, you can figure out which side is the top side. And there are also arrows on the LED module back. So we need to make the two arrows align up with each other. Okay, now the LED module is installed properly, and when you power on the LED wall, it won't burn out. Thank you for watching us.